All right, everyone, give me 1 second and we're gonna start live soon. I'm just trying to add some stuff right here. Give me 1 second. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let's go. Give me 1 second. I just gotta share my screen to other group right here. All right, we're gonna do a couple trader right now, and then I'm gonna show some stuff really cool. So I hope you guys can use next time you guys trade by yourself. And also a lot of people sending me a message on the Telegram. That's good. So I already sent a couple videos and couple pictures with the traders, so guys can go ahead, keep sending me those messages, and I'll be happy to see everyone. All right, let's go find a couple trading here. Let's go see this right here. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. So let's go wait for a couple more people come in. In the meantime, I'm prepare some really good stuff for today. All right, it's a couple more seconds. Let's go find other stuff. I was looking some stock, but everything was. Let's go currency. All right, let me know if you guys can hear me. All right. All right, guys, let's go. We're gonna do 1 minute. I'm gonna put $2 here. All right, let's go find something really good with the pullback, and also we're gonna create our own resistance and support line. No, that one's not. That one's too far away to come right here. That's the only way you're gonna buy a pullback. If he come right here, see a lot of nice resistance. Let's go wait, see if you're gonna come right here. We're gonna buy it, but we have to wait for that candle coming right here first, and then we're gonna buy it. But it's look like it's start going up. This right here, it's very good resisting area. You guys can see right there. See how many times it's touching. So yeah, that candle don't wanna come down. So let's go find another one. This one here, we have a nice pullback right here. We can use this one here. See that last line right there? All right, let's go see anything else. All right, this one here is looking good. So let's go stay on that one first. Let me put on my my support and resistance line right here. Let me put 1. So this one here, it's right there. So let's go see if that candle gonna respect, and then we're gonna buy a pullback. Not right now, but we gotta wait. So far it's looking good. Let's go put it right here. So let's go wait, make sure that candle go up, and we're gonna sell. All right. Let's go. We have a 25 second. go wait, because we want to make sure that's the higher. So we want to make sure that candle, the next candle, is going up, and we're gonna sell on the pullback. All right, let's go see if we're gonna three more seconds. Let's go wait. If you come right here, we can sell. If you come right here, that wick. Let's go wait. One more, come on. Come on, one more. Some people get right there, but I want to make sure it's coming right here first before I sell. You see? Right there. That's what I want. All right, that's my pullback. So that was because this one here was a week. So that's why I used that pullback. Let's see if we're going to respect. Maybe he's going to go after. You see, that's why I was afraid. I'm supposed to wait for that one. You see, it's break. But let's go see 14 seconds. But that was nice pullback right there. All right, so that's a winner. All right, let me show you why I did those. Let me show something here. Let me go to my view. Let me put this off. Let me show this. All right, guys, let me explain something here. Look, yesterday I showed you about the candles, right? Every time the candles come right there, right? Let me get this right here. You see, every time the candle go touching, let me get the video. Hold on, guys. 1 second. This right here, look. Let me delete those. I want you guys to see, understand. Let me delete those lines right there, and guys, see if you understand. Look, I have a candle, 4 candles start going up. That candle right here don't have no wick. All right. So I'm gonna make a line right there, right? And then when the buyers start going up, look, and stop on that line, right? The next candle you're gonna sell because it stopped on that resisting line right here. Okay, so the next one start going up, and then if the wick stop right there, right, that's indecision. So you don't trade it, wait for the next candle. All right, I don't know if you guys can hear me. All right, now guys can see, can you guys see those instructions? Can you let me know? Because I'm trying to see if you guys understand that. All right, let me delete those. If the candle start going up, if you break the support line, right, you see it's break the line. Now the next candle you're gonna continue up because you're gonna follow the trend. Okay, every time the candle stop on the defense, you have to make sure if he change. So the same thing with the cells. Every time the cells start come down, look, you have a indecision, buy and sell. Let me delete those, so I'm gonna explain again. Look, if every time the reds come down, if we stop right there, right, and then let me delete those. It's easy to explain to you. Hold on, guys. This right here, it's all those video I have right here. It's we have on the VIP. So you guys have a free. Every time you select the VIP on the Telegram, you have access for those. All right, so we have the line set up, right? You see, you have the reds come down. See, if you break through the defense, the next candle we're gonna buy or we're gonna sell. Okay, that's a seller because it's breakthrough. If the next candles come down again, right, and then the wick touch the line like that, it's indecision. You have to wait for the next candle. Okay, sorry, it's a red, so we have to wait for the next candle. So it can be red or can be green, so you don't do anything. The defense line, because the wick, it's, you gotta put on the command. I don't know if I understand. Let me explain those first. See, if the line, if the body stop on the defense line, you're gonna buy up. It's a green. Okay, so let me stop right here. Let me get something. I want you guys understand that. You see where I put the line? The line don't have no wicks. You see, it's no wick right there. It's, I mean, that's where you gotta put your defense line. Let me show something here very quickly. Hold on, guys. Let me, so some people get confused on those. All right, let me delete those. Hold on. All right, let me get something. I'm gonna explain later, but I gotta show something really quickly. All right, so this right here, right? This right here, it's a command, right? Every time we have a command green and command red, second command, it's the wick, it's down, and the second command red, the wick, it's up. This right here, it's the first command, second command. The difference between them, it's the wick. You see, one wick, it's on top, and the other one, it's down. So that's why you gotta put your liners on. All right, let me, if the wicks break down, you continue with the movement. Let me see if I can hide this, and let me show. All right. Let me explain this. Let's say I have this one here, it's a command. Okay, you put your line right there. Every time you saw a wick, you saw a candle, don't have no wick, that's why you put your line on. Every time the price go up, if you break through the line, you sell. If the candle is stopped right there, you sell. Okay, and the other thing is, let me go back right here. Let me show you something else. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me get another one. All right, let me show those sample right here. It's a 2 candles. Yeah, but you already know the support and resistance. What about those line? Every time you see right here. Let me show something. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, you see this right there? So right here, it's a command. So you have to put your line right there, right? And then this right here, it's a wick. You see the wick? That's why you gotta put your line right there too. So if you have a sell, start going up. If the wick touch wick with the wick, you're gonna sell. If the candle is gonna start going up, right? If the body stop right there, but the wick break through the command, you're gonna sell too. All right. See, we have a 2 sell. And if you have, let me put a candle. This one here, that one will be, this one here will be sell. Look, next candle will be sell. This one here will be sell. This one here will be sell. This one here will be indecision, because the wick stopped right there. Did break through? Okay. So the wick did break through right there. So that's why indecision. This one here, it's a buyer. Look, we have a 2 defense line. The green candle break through all those lines right there. So the next candle, that will be a green. Okay. This right here, the same thing. This one here will be a buyer. Look, the body with that candle, right? It's breakthrough right here, and the wick's breakthrough. So the next candle will be buyer. So I'll buy right there. Okay, so let me see the question. Do you sell on the exactly candle? So all this right here, guys, I gotta sell on the pullback. Okay, so let's go. That's that sample right there. It's a for buyer. Let's do the sample for sell. Let me go back here quickly. All right, this one here, it's a sell. Look, it's the same thing. Look, this one here, you have sell. The candles come down like this way, guys. Look, you have a candle come this way. All right, and if that candle stop wick with a wick, it's a buyer. If the body right here, if the body stop right there, it's a buyer too. The red, the same thing. It's the same with the green, but now it's different way. You see, we have a command right there. You put a line right there, and then you have a sell. This one here, that candle break the line, break the defense, and the next candle will be red. This one here will be indecision. So that candle, this one here, it's a sell. You know what's a sell? Look, the next one will be a sell. Now with the gap, you have to looking at. With the gap, you have to give a discount. I'll show you on the graph with the gap or non-gap. All right, so it's a bearish command. Let me find something else. So I want to make sure this one here, it's a quickly revised, but that's why those people on the Telegram, on the VIPs, they have access to all that. And once a week, we going online and we go all over those. Let me see something else. This one here, it's separate. Let me look. This one here, it's started getting confused a little bit, but look, you have a candles, right? And then you have to find which one don't have a wick. This one here don't have a wick. I gotta put my line right there. This one here, I gotta put another line. So if the price start going up, and now that defense is not work for green, all right? So I want to make sure you guys understand that the green, it's break with the red, it's not working. We want a defense. That defense right here, it's only for green. Look, so the price start going up, right? Let me do this so you guys understand better. Let me delete. Look, you have a candle like this, right? Right. So first thing you have to do is identify the candle. All the candles right here have a wick. That one don't have a wick. So that candle, I'm gonna put a first line right here. That's my defense line. Okay, that's the first defense line right here. The second one will be right here. No line here, but you got another line right there because it's not weak. All right, so now I have my defense line set up. Now when the sell start going down, let's say the price start going down like this. Look, price start going down. The defense line is not working for the green, right? Now you're gonna watch. Now you're gonna look at for the defense. Let's say if the candle touch like that, and then you're gonna sell. Okay, so if the candle, let me delete those right here. God. All right, guys, let me put those defense line here back. So if the green candle start going up, if it break through, the next line, the next candle will be green, right? But if the candle start doing this, it's indecision, so you don't do anything. Why the defense line don't go off the candle? Well, it depends. Sometimes the candle, like I said, that candle right here, you see that candle, it's breakthrough. So it's, I mean, you see the body is break the defense line. It's, I mean, the trend start continue going up. That's why the next candle, it's red. So if the body stop right here, for example, if the candle stop like that, look, and have a wick, right? If the candle, that one it's break, that one it's not. So the next candle will be red. So that's why sometimes we have to wait for a pullback. In the meantime, my brother, they just send a signal on the channel right now. You see, that's why I like a pullback and buy down. So let's say, remember I told the guys I like to wait for the candle. So let's say I have a reading right now for sell. So I'm going to do it. The candle start getting green like this, and then sometimes they go like this. And when it touch, that's what I'm gonna buy and go like this. And then you have a candle like that and then that. But I sell right here. Okay. So let me get let me see if you guys understand that. Give me 1 second, guy. All right, so you guys understand those? So if you have any question, all right, let me find out something, another one. Give me 1 second, let me something. That's a video, so that's why I go. You see the sellers, it's the same thing. You have to wait. So those stuff, it's on my Telegram channel. So people have access for those. My power. All right, give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to see. All right, so you see this one here, it's a sample of a command like us. This one here, it's a command, don't have a non-wick. Every time you saw those on the graph, you gotta put a line as a defense. Okay, so. All right, guys, let's go get a couple trading. Let's go trade on pullback. Let me, if you guys have any question, you guys can send me a message on my Telegram. All right, let me go back to the trading. Let's go do a couple trading. The one what I told you about. Give me 1 second. Well, guys, come on, give me a couple likes. I have only 3,000 likes. I be trading, like, show some good stuff for, you know, and also everyone go to my Telegram channel. I'm gonna send those. So, all right, let's go do a couple trading and let's go see if we can get 5,000 likes so I can keep in the live. Let's go back. Give me 1 second. All right, let's go find. Look, guys, this one here, it's a command. Look, you see? It's a command. You see? Right there? Non-wick. That's why you got to put your line on. And also, you gotta put your line on those weak. So now let me ask you something. Look, between that trend, that week it's higher right now, right? So the only way I'm gonna sell, if that candle come right here, I'm gonna wait for pullback and then I'm gonna sell. Go find something else. All right, this one here, the price start going up. This one here, guys, it's not good. See, we don't have no reference on the back. Look, let me show you. You see, the candle, it's right here. You don't have no reference. How am I gonna put my lines on? So it's not good. This one here, it's the price start going down. The only way I'm gonna sell, it's a seller if that candle come right here. Between those two wick right there. That will be my safe spot to sell. If that candle come right here, I'll buy on pullback. Good. Almost 5,000, guys. Come on, let's go. I know you can do it. Just click. All right, this one here, it's, yeah, no, that one's not good. All right. All right, guys. I saw opportunity for trader right here to buy, but let me see if you're gonna respect, because we want confirmation, right? So we have one right here on the body, okay? And the next one will be right here, the last week. Look, we have a week right there. You see, we're gonna put that line right there. Look, the only way I'm gonna buy, that candle must come right here first. So, or you have to come right here too. You see, that will be the last, that will be good, that will be a nice pullback. But some people don't want to wait right there. So this one here will be a nice pullback if you come right here. So let's go wait. See, that one is not good. It start going up, and then we have to wait to come right here so we can sell, but it's far away. Let's go find another one. Yeah, the candle moving fast. Yeah, that's why you have to be patient. So you can't just go ahead and start trading. No, you have to make sure you gotta find a nice pair for trading. Nothing here. It's blank. I don't like it. This one here, if that candle come right here, look, if he, the only way we can buy, that candle must come right here. You see, right here or right here. That, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's very good resisting area. If you stay here in the middle, I'm not gonna trade it. That candle must come right here so I can buy. If it don't come right here, I don't do anything. I wait for the opportunity, and then I can buy. I don't see anything really good yet. Wow, everything is looking not good. This one here. The only way, just if that candle coming right here. See, 1, 2, 3. That's a nice defense line, and look below. That one's nice too. Look how many times it starts. So if you break that line down right here, I'll buy up. But right now it's still very concentrated on that area, so I don't want to do nothing here in the middle. If it come down, I can buy. If it go up right there, I can sell. But right now it's not good. So, but I have my defense lines, it's ready. So you see how many times it's starting, it's respect, every time it try to go down, going up. Every time it go up, start going down, you see? So let's go wait, see if that can start going up. Yeah, this one, it's a nice perfect pair. I hope it's not break the time we trade. So if that one go up right there, and then we can sell. but it's gonna take a while. Let's see. Yeah, that one's really nice. For me to be safe, I put my line right here on the last week right here, and this right here will be right there. Look, let's go wait, see if you can have a trader right there, that position. And right now, you see, that's how the company pop-ups make money. People trading in the middle. No, we have to wait for your opportunity and then we get in. So the only way I'm gonna get in on the trading if you come right here. If it's still right there, believe me, I'm not gonna trade at all. I'll wait. Just go wait for pullback. So I hope that candle start going up in the next candle. If that candle probably is gonna come right here, probably we have another wait for another 2 minutes to come right here. Or if that candle come down. If it come down, we're gonna buy. If it's going up, we sell. All right, let's go keep that one. Let's go to another one. I think it's not going up right now. I'm just gonna see. Let me, I'm gonna post my Telegram channel. You guys have access those, remember those video I just post early? So everyone join to the Telegram channel. I can send so you guys can take a look and practice. Like if you guys practice, take it like 1 week, because that video it's 2 hours and a half, and I can send to you guys and take a look. And that practice at least for a week, believe me, you're gonna be really good. All right, let's go find another one. This one, it's not going nowhere. That one, the same thing too. You know, it's not trading here. See, until don't break those two lines. Let me put a sample here. Look, you have to figure out the shot. Like I got a line right there, and then I got a line right here. Now I want you to tell me what you can see. So it's, I mean, the price go up, but you see, these don't go nowhere. The only way you can trade it, if you break that line a little bit, if you break, come right here, if the candle break a little bit, and we can buy right there on the pullback. This right here, the only way I sell, it must come right here. Remember that command I told you, the line, see the command right there? Believe me, if that candle touch right there, it's gonna come down. You see how they did? Look. Let's go wait. Look, it's a command. Let's see what happened. Every time they touching a command, it's not, I don't see no gap at all. It's good. Let's go wait. If you break a little bit, I'm gonna sell. Just because that command. Look, if you break a little bit, I just sell right there. Just because I saw that command right there. You see, every time it's strong area. You see, that's a command. That's the one I tried to explain. Let's see if we're gonna respect. You see, remember I told on the video that command. So let's go away, see if you're gonna respect that, and it's gonna see it's gonna come down. If you're not, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do another search. But this one is supposed, that candle is supposed to come down right there. 10 more seconds. Let's go wait. 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. See, it's almost. That's why I gotta see now create another pullback right there. You see? So let me wait. I'm not gonna resist. See, the only defense I saw right there, it's 2 commands, so for some reason it have to come down. So let me wait. Yeah, you can do a martingale, but I'm trying to explain first. I try to win with no martingale. So yeah, I can do martingale right there, but I have to make sure. You see, the reason probably don't have any gap right there. If you have a gap, yeah, your line is gonna be screwed. See a gap right here. See, But yeah, you can do a martingale. As soon as you saw a command, just do a martingale. But I don't like to do, I like to win just one time. That would be a nice pullback right here. But for me to be safe to do a pullback, that candle, the wick must come right here. That would be a nice pullback. Let's say if that candle start going up, yes, and then I can sell. But right now I don't want to sell. I just want to do a sample with a command. Every time the candle don't have no wick, they try. You see right there. Every time, see no wick, it's down. Look, this one here, no wick, it's up. So that's why I want you guys to understand about command. Let's go find another trade. Give me one more second. Come on, guys. Let's go have a 10,000 like, and then I'll do another explanation. Let me see. We got a nice, but that one's look okay for pullback, but it's a little danger because they have those two defense line right here. So we can do a pullback. Let me see if it come right here. That candle come, not the second candle. If that candle come right here, I'll buy up. But I want to make sure it's coming right here and less than 35 seconds. You see right there? I'm gonna take anyway, but because I saw pressure up, so that's why I saw. So that one was pull, but I want to make sure I saw. Every time you see a candle, guys, it start not going nowhere, and but if you see they come down and you see not pressure down, believe me, you can buy a pullback. So that's what I did. I buy a pullback right there. But I don't like that setup because that candle's supposed to come right here. You see now he's trying to come in. All right, it's good, Terminator. You went 3 trader with the Audi car. Nice, and that pullback, good. See, this right here, I don't see a trade. I just saw a command right there. That command is respect. Right there, it's a command right there. All right, let's go. Good, guys, thank you. 10,000 like. So let's go find another trading really good so we can trade out together. Let me find something. So now I'm not gonna say anything, just I'm gonna buy and sell. All right, let's go find another one. Guys, this is I just post my my link right there for my Telegram channel. You guys can get a free signal. Guys, it's free signal I'm send every day. So believe me, guys can make some extra money on those signal. I'm not charging anything. Yeah, that one's a breakthrough, so we don't wanna. Wow, look at that. Remember that line we make early? You see, he tried to get in. So he's still walking that area. You see those defense area we just created? So yeah, it's nothing here yet. So we want to make sure it's coming right there. And then we can start thinking about to start trading. But right now, you don't want to trade it between in the middle, guys. Believe me, you want to make sure to be safe, it's if it touch on top, so you can sell, or hold on, let me refresh my phone, guys. Right, if the only way for me to trade if that candle must come on top, so we keep in watch that one. Let's go wait and see. Yeah, I think the next candle is gonna go up, and then we can sell. All right, let's go. People ask for that's my setup for the Bollinger Band. It's 20 and 2, and then I have on top I use red, on the middle line I use white, and the bottom line I use green. Let's go on that one. Let's go wait and see. Start getting up, and let's go see if the next candle we can sell. Let's go wait. So we have one line here. Let me put second line. It's this one here to the confirmation. Look, right there. You see right there on the body. Let's go see if that candle is gonna break, and we're gonna sell. Let's go wait. Well, you gotta go to my bio and click on the Telegram link. It's working. It's work for everybody. Probably you have some problem on your end. You see, that's why people lose money. I don't want to trade here anymore. You see, start going down. It's gonna take time. So let's go find something else. No, that one's not look. Guys, for trading, you have to be patient. You can just pick a pair. No, you have to take a look, the chart, and see if it's gonna go on your way. So, well, that one is looking good too. Look, we're missing that one. You see, remember we put that line on the beginning. So you see how respect and we sell. That was nice setup. Yeah, those work for any chat, like forex, like stock market. Yeah, that reading for you're learning to read the chat and put your support and resist line. USG not looking good. That one's 2 down, and I don't see no reference here. It's not good to trading. Come on, guys, let's go do a couple more like it. I know you guys can do it. All right, let's go. All right, this one here. Look, I have a line right there. Look, that was the first defense line right there. You see, you got a command. See how respect went up, down. So let's go see if you're gonna break. If you break, we want to make sure that candle come right here. Look, that will be our target right there to buy. So, but right now we see it's still on the side, so we have to come back later. Let's go. Let me put some defense right here too. That one will be a very good defense line. You see, I have our command right there. Look, I put my first line right there, and then I'm gonna put my second line on top. So now I ready building my setup for the entrance. Look, I have one right here. Look, right there. And if that price, if that candle break that line, I'm gonna buy up. But only if you break. If you don't break, if you come back and touch that line, I'll buy a pullback. Let's go wait and see. We're gonna make sure the next candle. So I have one here too, but this one it's a command. So let's go wait for the next candle. Got a 10 more seconds. You see, that was a nice pullback. That's because, you see, right there. Let's go wait for the next candle. Let's go make sure that candle coming right here. And then we're gonna buy up. Let's go wait 48 seconds. Let's go see if we're gonna come right here. We wanna make sure coming right here to be safe so we can sell and pull back. And make sure the time, guys, look. The time must be 1 minute. Right now, 18:37, 18:38, 00. Make sure this one here, it's on. All right, so we want an automatic time offset. Make sure it's on, okay? So you don't want to trade it like this. Look, don't keep your setup like this. That's not good because you can do not pullback. All right. All right, let's go wait for that one for a pullback right there. It takes so long. Let's go wait another one. See, right now creating a double position. If that candle come right here, I'll take let's go wait. Or if that candle come right here too. Let's go see which line he's gonna touch in first and we can sell. If he touch that one, we're gonna sell. Let's go wait. Let's go wait 35 more seconds. Come on, go up a little more. You know, it's losing. I took because I see that candle now wanna go now for, come on, if you touch on top, I see that candle lose how do you say it's not going up. Seven seconds. Hey Jay, no advertisement on the channel, all right? So this one here, it's only for people wanna learning how can read the candle, all right? So if you don't delete the mess, I have to block you. Yeah, King, volatility, yes, that's right. All right, James, you gotta delete the message. All right, if you don't leave, I have to. All right, let me block this guy here. Come on, guys, no advertisement. No one wanna buy a boot. If you wanna sell boot, why you sell if he? That's how I don't understand. People like I saw on the internet a lot of people posting a lot of, oh, buy this boot, buy that. Come on, guys, why he's selling? You know, if you make money. So it's not make nonsense. All right, let's go find another thing. See, that one it's break. I don't want to trade here. So this one here, it's look interesting, bro. Wanna see if you're gonna break. Let's go find a resisting line here. Let's go find a command. All right, that's a command. Let's go see if you're gonna break that command. See, remember I put the command. It's how that respect. So let's go wait. Let's go see. See, this one it's a command. Right there. You see, non-weak. Let's go see if it break. We're gonna buy up. Well, I don't think it's gonna break. We gotta take on a pullback. Wow, I have only 100 views. When I'm trading on YouTube, my God, I got like 1,000. Like I don't know. I'm new on TikTok. I don't know how I can get more views. So 100 views, it's nothing. For let me post my YouTube channel. Guys can take a look. Like I said, I've been trading for almost 10 years. I used to be a teacher in Boston for stock market. Guys can take a look. Couple of my those video over there. I was teaching Boston. Now I just moved to Florida, Miami. Alright, guys, this one here, it's my YouTube channel. I just post. You guys can take a look. Let's go back to the trader. You see how break? That candle tried to go all the way down, tried to come right here, believe me. That right there. That was the higher. And yeah, it's a command right there. Let's go see. Look, if that candle touch that green line right there, I'm gonna sell. But let me see. Yeah, I got a command right there. Let me make sure it's for the right one. Yeah, right there. If the next candle touch on top, I'm gonna sell. But right now I don't wanna sell because that candle can go all the way up, can be green. So clean up trade, yeah, that's right. But some people keeping buying right there, yeah, that's good. But I prefer wait for my supply resistance line. Wow, you see that's a gap. See, that's a huge gap right there. You see the space? So for me to trade that, I want to make sure that line, that candle break that line just a little bit with the same size with the gap. Otherwise, I'm not gonna trade it. That's a huge gap. That's why you gotta much be careful. That's how those pocket options make money with the gap, because you put your line on, but if you have a gap, yeah, you screw. Yeah, that one it's not going nowhere. It's let's go find another one. Wow, it's nothing good, huh? Everything overbought and. Alright, this one here look okay, guys. I saw 2 weeks right there. So we're gonna sell on the pullback. If you go up again, we're gonna sell. Let's go wait. That one's looking good. Let's go wait for a pullback. Let's go see if that candle go up. Come on, go up a little more. Right there. That one was a sell. That was a nice pullback. Let's go see if we're gonna respect. If you go up again, I'll take another one right there. 2. Let's go wait. Oh, you see, I don't see that command right there. You see, this one here, it's a command right there. I didn't see that one. Yeah, that one I see. We have to be careful. You gotta watch, look for those commands, because otherwise that candle can go all the way down or go way up, you know. So let's go see if we're gonna respect. I didn't see that command right there. See, let's go wait 7 more minutes. That won't be nice pullback right there. Not that one. That one was not good, but we went anyway. All right, let's go. That one was a scare, guys. I didn't see that command. So you see 1, 2, 3. So yeah, because that line it's break. So it's break. It's me continuation. Let's go find another one. Come on, guys, let's go to my Telegram channel. I have a good stuff over there. That's my link right there. Look, I just click the link, and I'm gonna send a couple signal after I'm done with the video. And if you guys wanna join, go ahead and join, and let's go see if we can get 20,000 like, and I'll keeping me here. Let's go see 20,000 like, and I'll do another trading. Remember, guys, we still the Euro USD. You see how he break the line? Remember, we put the line on the beginning of the video. Look right there. You see it's break. Now he went. Let me put that line right there. Let's go see where he's touched. See, he break that command right there. See. And what I happen is touching up, and the price start going down. Let's go take a look. Euro GBP 10 minutes. Let's go. That's nice, man. I'm very glad you make some money. Yeah, that's the idea to make some extra money. All right, let's go. Man, my views don't move. 100 view only. Let's go put a line right there. I hope you guys share my link to people. Let's go see this one here. It's a resisting area. But what happens, I got another area right here. Look. So that candle, it's nice pullback, but for us to be safe, that candle must come right here first, and then we can buy up. Because what happens, if you break that line, that candle can come right here. So and then we're gonna be screwed. Let's go see in a pullback, that candle can come right here. And then we can buy a pullback. Let me see how everything look here behind. Yeah, that candle must come right here. That's a command right there. This one here, it's 1, 2, 3, a lot of touching. Let's go see on the next candle. If the next candle come right here, we're gonna buy a pullback. Euro try. Let's go Euro try. Put my real contract, put it in the demo. Alright, let's go. Yeah, that one's looking good. So let me put a line here. Look, to us to be safe, you want to make sure that candle coming right here. Let's go see if it's gonna break. We need to break that line, and then we're gonna sell on the pullback. Gracie, 55%. That's good. Good. You see a command right here, guys? If that candle come right there, we can buy a pullback right there too. Look, I'm gonna wait. Look, wave a little bit right there. I buy pullback just because I saw that command right there. I want to see if it's gonna respect. It's supposed to start going up. Let's go wait and see if the price start going up. It's break that little. I did see that command. So let's go see if it's gonna respect. Let's go see if you're gonna pull back up. I bought it up. I can do a second martingale, but I don't want to do it. See, that one did the respect. So the trend start going up. Let's go wait. Wait for pullback. I'm gonna buy again. No, I don't want to buy because right now it's break that line. See the command right there. Remember I told you every time it's break down, the price start going down. So I don't want to buy. The only way to buy up, if that candle pull back a little bit, and then I can sell. Let's go see if you're gonna pull back. All right, let's go. If you want to shoot my static, otherwise, take a look. Go to my Telegram channel. I can show over there. You just watch the video. You're supposed to watch the video in the beginning. Nothing here. Let's go wait for that pullback right there. Go wait. We want to make sure if that candle come right here, so we can just start selling. Oh, sorry, buy. But we want to make sure come right here first. We need to break. If you break, we're gonna buy up. Just go wait. No, I don't use a boot. Let's go wait for pullback. Let me see if I have any reference right there. nothing. So guys, this one here, I don't want to trade on that one because I don't see any resisting and support. So I don't want to trade it right there. So I'm gonna take another trade. Let me see if I another one. Let's go find another one. I'm below zero, my friend. Yeah, all right, you think whatever you want. Whatever you say is not gonna hurt me. So I'm over here to help people, not to make any money. Like try to show and be very transparent with the people. So all right, this one here, it's looking good. Let's go see if we can sell right there. Let's go wait. So we have a command right there. See right there? So let's go wait 15 seconds. That's breakthrough. So he tried to go up. Let me put another line right there, another command. All right, let's go wait. So guys, I'm gonna wait for break a little bit, and we're gonna sell right there. Well, support sell. I don't know why it's support sell right there on top. Because I saw a pullback and it's touched the line. That was nice sell right there. Let's go wait, see if we're gonna respect. And I don't want to do a martingale because I don't believe in martingale. So wow, look at that. Oh my God, that's amazing. He break through. He tried to come right there. I took another one right there on the pullback. Let's go see if we're gonna respect that one. See, I'm supposed to take that one. See that wick right there? That was a pullback. Let's go wait. Wow, I took those two. Come on, go down. Wow, I took those two. I don't know who's took, but that was nice pullback. You see the wick right there? That's what I'm trying to explain. See, it's touching exactly the same and the price start going down. So if that candle go up again, I'm gonna sell again because I saw opportunity right here. See? Let's go see. Come on, guys. Let's go 20,000, more like 17, 3,000 more. And I'm gonna bring something really nice. Let me find something really nice here so I can explain. Guys, this one is still good. Let's see if that candle start going up and we can sell. Wow. Let's go. Let's go take a look one more time. Let's go see if that candle can start going up and we can buy a pullback. Let's go wait and see. Thank you guys for the like. Let's go up. I'll sell right there and that pullback. Let's go see if we're gonna respect. See, touch my line. Let's go see if we're gonna respect breakthrough. Wow, look. Come on, go up. If you go up again, I'll take two more right there. Go touch that line. Did you touch the line? Wow, that one's nice. That one's nice. I missed that one. Supposed to touch twice right there. But we'll see. Let's go wait. That one's nice. Pullback right here. Not that one. This one here was really nice. So I like that one. This one here. Let's go see if we're gonna respect that one. So I lose one, but I win another one. Let's go see the next pullback. Will be right here, guys. Look, let me see. You see right here? That's we want to make sure if that candle come right down, pull back. Let's go wait. All right, wait 25 seconds. Let's go see if you're gonna touch one of those line. That will be right here, one. That will be the second one, those. The third one will be the command. Let's go wait. See, he tried to go up. Let's go see if he touched that one, guys. Let's go wait. That one, I missed that one. Let's go wait for the next candle. I'm gonna wait. Thank you, guys. 18,000, like, that's perfect. Right. No, this one here is not trade anymore. Let's go find something really. No, that one's not good. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna find something really good so we can trade out together. No, that one's too under pressure.
¿Quieres café, Joka?
No, gracias.
Go. Alright, this one here, guys, I saw a command right there. You see? So let's go see if that candle is gonna break through. So let's go prepare a defense line. See, the price start going up. So I have to make sure the candle is gonna break through. So this one here will be my pullback. Alright, let's go stay right here. So we're gonna sell. So I got a 2 resisting line right here. See how many times it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go wait, see if we're gonna break that line, and we're gonna sell a pullback. Let's go wait.
Coge una colita.
One more minute. To us to sell, to be safe, we want to make sure that candle break that line. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. So we can get a. I don't see any. I saw one resisting line here. Look, we can buy up right there on the pullback. Because that's a command. So let me see. Let me get one here. Look, I just buy up because I saw potential for pullback right there. I saw that command. So let's go see if we're gonna respect. But my goal is to buy, to sell. Let's go 16 seconds. Let's go see if the reaction. Wow, that one break through. And let's go wait. I'm gonna wait for pullback and we're gonna sell the next candle, but I wanna make sure it's coming right here first. Let's go sell on the pullback. Oh, I missed that one. I'm supposed to sell right there. So I have another command right here. Let's go see if you're gonna respect that one. No. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times start, and let's see if you're gonna. Sometimes they touch right here and go up. So I missed it, this one here. That one was nice. Yeah, very strong candle, that's right. This one here, if you go up a little more, I can sell if you touch that line. If you come right here, I'm gonna sell. Wait, I'm gonna wait. But I wanna make sure it come right here for sell, and then I can sell. If you don't come, I did sell, come on. Come on. Right there. I sold right there. I saw the fence line. I saw no pullback. Let's see if we're gonna respect. Yeah, that was a nice win on pullback. I put those resisting line where I can see a command like a candle don't have a no wicks. You see that's stronger, that's stronger. See that one, it's stronger candle, no wick. See little wick, no wick. So I try to concentrate on those and try to concentrate on those right here. See that's a very strong area. So every time the price start come down, went up. See, come down, went up. See how many time it touching right there. So it's it's a very good resisting area. And this one here too, right? You see 1 2 3 4. See it's touching 4 times, 5 6. See those little wick. So we have to count the wick and the body. So if you notice, look, every time you saw that's first thing I learned when I start trading. Sim, eu hablo espanhol. Mira, every time I saw the candle, every time you see green and red on top, not in the middle, every time you see 80%, the next candle it's red. Look, green and red on top, the next red. Green and red, next candle red. Look, green and red, the next candle red. Green and red, next candle red. Look, green and red, next candle red. That's the confirmation, the red candle. The second one, you just go ahead and enter. The same thing with the green. So now we go down. So let's say if you buy up, red and green, that's your confirmation. The next candle, it's green. Look, green, red and green. So if you put those on your mind, or I have a double position right there, red and green, the next candle it will be red. See right there, I have a double position right there, red and green, the second candle. You see, that's the confirmation. You want to make sure you have those, a confirmation, red, go to the next one. But don't do martingale, try to see something. Let me see right there, look. Guys, every time you look, red, I say green and red, second candle, because this one here is the confirmation, the next candle red. That one it did work. You know why? Look at the size of that candle. If you saw the candle so big, don't enter. But if you saw something like this, see, you can win the martingale. But I don't use to use a martingale. Look, so use that strategy. And you can make more money than buy and sell boots. Come on, guys, let's go. If I can show more stuff, let's go see if we can get 25 likes today. Oh my God, I have only 129 people, and let me. So whatever who registered on my channel, so send me a message. I'm gonna send a book so guys can read that book. I've been using that book for 10 years. Believe me, that book it's really good. I'm gonna send for free. It's 100 pages, so I'm gonna share on my Google Drive so guys can read. I'm gonna give you permission to whatever my group right now between today and tomorrow. I'm gonna share that book for 30 days. So send me, just go to my Telegram channel, send me a message over there and just type a book and I'll send the link so you guys can take a look at that link. You're gonna learn a lot of stuff on that link. All right, so whatever you wanted that book, send me a message on my Telegram channel. You can subscribe over there, it's free. and I'll give you a free sample. All right, guys. So send me a message. The link it's in my bio. So I'm gonna stop it right there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll send me a message, right? And I'll respond those messages, guys. Take care, guys, and God bless.